Wishing you all a very happy Diwali and happy New Year.
बहुत दिनों से मुझे कीड़ा था कि मैं कहीं ना कहीं एक दिन लेट जाऊं और पहली बार और आखिरी बार मैं लेट आई हूँ।
जस्ट टू आस्क यू कि ये कमिटमेंट नहीं देते, अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं देते, पनिशमेंट देते हैं, तो आपको कभी सेट पे कोई मौका मिला था इनको पनिशमेंट देने का? ये तो देते रहते हैं। नहीं, आपने इनको दिया कि नहीं?
No. Okay. मैं तो कहूँगा कि मुझे बहुत पनिशमेंट, नचा के मुझे पनिशमेंट दी है।
No, actually, I mean, we took this song in 3 days, I think. No, sir? 3 days. Yeah. So, I mean, this time, a little bit, I gave, my concentration was fully on sir, because first time he was dancing, and but he did it, I mean, we already decided to be very stylish, and that's it.
एक सिग्नेचर स्टेप आपका हमेशा रहता है। अभी ये जो है, ये क्या मतलब ऑस्ट्रिया में तो मिट्टी भी नहीं है, क्या साफ कर रहे हैं? तो क्या?
We showed sir was watching and telling, "Acha, good step. Sonakshi will do it." No, sir, it's for you. I guess. What? Me? Prabhu, please.
No, sir, you had a problem with this. Don't tell me.
I have a problem with everything.
No. Actually, then he came to the. I mean, that sir, sound, do it. And then he just did it. I told, okay, no, sir, really? Yeah. Everybody was clapping, and it's actually in the first take only he did it, and then.
आपको डांसिंग के अलावा किसी और चीज का कीड़ा है अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं?
I eat lot sweets.
He eats a lot. Sonakshi, it doesn't look at all.
I told him yesterday, sir, you're losing weight. He said, yes, dancing.
So that's the mantra.
That was his explanation to it.
But Ajay, honestly speaking, what was the hardest thing about dancing? Or do you think it's cool कि action के बीच में थोड़ा dance हो रहा था? क्योंकि I love that particular thing in the promo.
No, I think it was tough dancing, but Prabhu made it very easy for me, in the sense, as he says also that ये एक actor की body language पढ़ के उस हिसाब से moments देते हैं, तो he did that, and he made me very comfortable doing it. So and he was concentrating on the expression also and the step, and so he made it very easy.
आपने लेकिन काले चश्मे और ग्रीन चश्मे और ब्लू चश्मे पहन के you made it easier for yourself, because Sonakshi is going berserk with her expressions.
She loves dancing. Music लगाओ तो वो सड़क पे शुरू हो जाएगी.
But doesn't that intimidate you? क्योंकि अगर आप देख रहे हो कि आपके सामने वाली लड़की is like fully charged.
No,
and now it's your turn.
It doesn't. I look at her and say, that's your job.
What was the hardest step in this song, if I ask you? कि कीड़ा की बात हो रही है?
So many of them. For me. But otherwise not.
No. I think, as he said, we read the actors on first day. So as per his body language, we did it. Because if it was difficult, it wouldn't have happened in 3 days. It would have gone 5 days.
Longer. Yeah.
But we did it very happily. We kept him very happy. In between, it was very tensed.
No, and the best part is that he made me enjoy shooting the song. So that was fun.
Actually, in third day and all, he was ready. Prabhu, come on, we can do it. Next what? Like that.
So his कीड़ा is eating. अजय जी, आपने तो खाना छोड़ ही दिया है. I think we need to clap for his maintenance at this fabulous stage of his career. I am a true fan of your body. What you're looking in the hoardings and in the movie, it's stunning. And you said once at Radio City that you do this every day of your life. You don't keep your dieting before film and stuff. तो आप कैसे hold कर पाते हो इनके सामने जब ये खा रहे हैं?
No, it's become a habit. नहीं, ऐसे बीच में छोड़ भी देते हैं, but usually it's become a habit. Like you eat only certain things in the night. It has become a habit. अगर वो टूटती है तो फिर problem होती है.
तो किस चीज़ का कीड़ा है? जब एक चीज़ आप छोड़ते हो तो किसी और को पकड़ते हो, तो क्या है वो कीड़ा? क्या है आपके अंदर? Watching films, trying to dance. What is the कीड़ा?
उसके अलावा ऐसे बहुत सारे कीड़े हैं which I can't speak here.
So I'll go to Sonakshi then. We know you love dancing. What is this song meant to you, if I know? Because we all have some kiras within us, and yours is dancing all the way. In fact, she sketches beautifully because she's a designer, and she's come a couple of times in the studio and done that for us. But is there anything else that you've caught on to of late?
Any other kira? Actually, I have quite a few kiras, but the most evident ones are dancing, and then there's, of course, I'm a very good bathroom singer. So yeah, I like to sing sometimes.
So think this is a bathroom. Sing.
Really, with like 1,000 people there? I don't think so.
I think I've enjoyed working with Prabhu ji and Ajay ji ke saath, Bol Bachchan and Son of Sardar and Sonakshi ke saath. I mean, lots of hits have been there. They've really been very lucky for me. So it's been a great team, and this film is प्रभु देवा. See, you know, every frame में आपको दिखेंगे, music में दिखेंगे, every beat में, and he is there in everything. You know, मेरे music में जो भी आपको दिख रहा है, it is प्रभु देवा जी.
हम आपको इंडिया का जैक्सन बुलाते हैं, माइकल जैक्सन बुलाते हैं. Is it an exciting, you know, you're like a child whenever I see you. Is it exciting कि finally एक film आपके नाम के साथ जुड़ रही है जिसमें जैक्सन word है? Think about it.
No, of course, if anybody calls with love, it will. Even a human being will love it, but not because of it. It's not in my name.
But आप director हैं ना अजय sir, isn't it just fair to say that?
बिल्कुल.
No, any film when they told us first this title, Action Jackson, everybody loved it. So this film was perfect for it. Then I told it, well, okay. And first of all, thanks to Imesh sir, such a superb song. Not only this song, we have 6 to 7 songs in the film. And first time I'm working with the sir, he's tremendously, he's tremendous, so talented, and it was great working.
My pleasure working with you, sir. And Ajay ji, Sonakshi, thank you very much.